Hey y'all, welcome back to Walmart Wednesday. My name is Kel and this is my channel. If it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. Today I am going to show y'all some fabulous things that I was able to obtain from Walmart clearance. By the way, if you're new to my channel, thank you. If you're just coming over and wondering what my channel is about, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me a lovely comment and let me know that you're new to my channel. So let's move on with these Walmart clearance that I found. And I call this a gift bag party surprise. So in clearance, they had this French Garland, and this is the pattern. And these were 50 cents a piece. So I got two of these. I think it was only two, so I grabbed these. And these are gonna be nice when we have like our summer party outside on the patio. Next, they had this mouse for $2. I thought that was a great deal just to put up. If something happens to, my mouse, I'll have a backup for $2, unheard of. So I got that. And then, child, they had a box of gift cards for 10 cents. They only had one box, unfortunately, and you get 12 thank you cards. Because I'm getting ready to have my housewarming in July, and I would just like to give everybody a thank you card that shows up. And this is the patterns. I thought that was pretty. This is another one. Pretty cards for 10 cents. Oh my goodness. Less than a penny, if that is unheard of, getting gift cards for less than a penny. And then they do have a little saying inside. So I got these, again, 10 cents for gift cards. Now, they had tissue paper, y'all. Tissue paper. Let's see how many I got. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Picked up 10. And this is one pattern. It's the red, blue, yellow, green, and white. And these were only 10 cents. So I think I got 5 of these. And then I got the pretty pastel colors. The purple, the baby blue, the fuchsia pink, the pink, and the white again. And you get 16 in a pack for 10 cents. Unheard of. So for $1, I obtained all of these tissue paper, and these will go good, for the summer. Birthdays are coming up. I have, I think, over 20 some family members in my family. Maybe send them a little gift, however, or use it for Christmas, anything. For 10 cents, I was not leaving these, okay? And then I found these pretty gift bags. And these were 20 cents a piece. So I got the unicorn. Let's see, and this one says happy birthday, of course, and I got 2 of those. Another unicorn, and I got 3 happy birthdays, actually. 3 happy birthdays and 2 unicorns, because I have Ariana's birthday coming up in August, and then I have Truly Bear's birthday in September, and then one for my niece Christina that's in Jersey, so I would ship her something out in her gift bag. Next, this is what I'm really excited to show y'all. Why did they have these sticker travel books for 25 cents? And you get over 480 stickers. These are so good for kids on a long ride that they can sit and play for hours. And here are the stickers that come with it. And this is the Frozen, not affiliated with any characters, but just showing you, you know, and it just has tons and tons and tons of stuff for the kids to do while you're traveling. Some of the older kids can do a word search, which I may be doing myself because I love word searches. They have tic-tac-toe in them that'll keep them busy. It has a maze in that one. Just tons of stuff to do. And these were 25 cents again. And you know I didn't get one. I grabbed them all. So I got 3 in the Frozen. And then they had the Mickey Mouse. Well, Minnie Mouse. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I got 5 in the Minnie Mouse. Same idea. You know, tons and stuff. They can color, stickers, everything. I wish I had this when we went to Disney World, because this would have kept the girls busy. And then I found it in the Trolls. And I got 5 of these. These were 25 cents. Same concept in the book. Okay, and then next, they just had, for these were 20 cents. And this is actually Frozen 2. And it's just 300 stickers in the book. So they could be sticker crazy all day, as long as they don't get them on my hardwood floors and the walls. So I think I only picked up 1 of the Frozen, and oh no, there was 2 of the Frozen. Now my fabulous niece Christina, she loves these characters, LOL, and these were 10 cents. Frozen was 20 for some reason, 20 cents, but these were 10. And let's see, I got 4 of these, and it's the same thing. You get 300 stickers. So I thought she would love this, her and Ariana. They had it in the Trolls. I got 4 of them in the Trolls. These were 20 cents. And then the Power Rangers for my nephews when they come to visit. And Messiah, when he got a little older, I'll put these up. These were 10 cents. Power Ranger stickers. Okay, next, going through the clearance, they had these books that says grab and go, and they have a nice little handle, and these were 25 cents a piece, and they're a little bigger, and again they have the stickers in them. I believe these are all stickers. Oh no, it has some things for them to work on, some of the for the older girls. So 3, 4. So I got 5 of these. 1 in the Frozen 2. And they had My Little Pony, I believe this is, for Truly Bear. So this will give the girls something to do when we take our ride to the outlet, which is about 45 minutes away this summer, you know, or when it's raining outside, instead of being on their tablet, this is what they're gonna be doing, okay? And lastly, on the clearance section, they had jewelry that was hanging up. And I found these in that sapphire blue for 25 cents. You get 3. So I have a total of 9. Aren't these fabulous? these will make a beautiful napkin ring. You're doing a tablescape in the blues and maybe in the silvers. So you will see these coming up this summer in my outdoor adventures, my outdoor series that's coming up. And lastly, for this haul, they had the seashells, seahorses. Oh, I thought this was so pretty. And these were 25 cents. No, 22 cents, excuse me, 22 cents. And I got 3. And we're gonna make these as bracelets for your arm. See how that just lays like that? And I'm gonna try to have the girls on the camera when we do our arts and craft days, and you'll see them turn these into bracelets. So I got one for me, one for Ariana, and one for Christina. I think they didn't have 4, and I think this is, you know, a little bit too much for Truly. She'll probably lose one, but this will be great for memories, you know, with my niece and my granddaughter. So I'm just double checking and make sure that I have everything. Next up, real quick, I just want to show you 2 more things, but they were from different stores. But it's something that you're looking for. I've been pricing these, they call them a puddle jumpers for the kids when they're in the pool, and these are $12.99, and I found these at Ollie's. So if you're looking for these, they're cheaper than going to the other name brand stores. And then it has the latch on the back, and to me this is much securer than blowing those little things up from the Dollar Tree. They can pop at any moment, and I figured this would be more secure for Truly Bear when she is in the pool or when we go to the beach. And then next I went to Rose's, and you'll be seeing my Roses haul for my outdoor series shortly. They had the pretty unicorn cups for the girls. So I got a pink, a baby blue, and then I got a purple one. I thought these were fabulous. So each of the girls, they will be able to pick which one they want. Hopefully there's no fighting, but yes, they have these cups if you're into this type of character, and they were only $1.99. You see that? That is unheard of. $1.99 for these cups, and you know that they sell these anywhere else for probably about $5 or $6. That's the inside. It comes with a reusable straw, and then you have the pretty lid. And then it's a twist on it. Tighten it, and they're good to go. So I thought this was a great haul at Rose's. So hopefully if you have a Rose's in your area, you'll be able to get down, you know, get to one and find these for your nieces or your little cousins. So I hope that you enjoyed this Walmart Wednesday with a little Ollie's and a little Rose's mixed in. If so, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a lovely comment.